An aversion to solids. Just like I said in my last reel, starting solids is one of the most exciting journeys of parenthood, and your child not eating is one of the worst experiences that a parent goes through because you start feeling a little bit helpless. Now, why does this solid aversion really happen? What is causing it, and what can you do about it? In some cases, a solid aversion is caused because a child has a very negative feeding experience. Maybe they were forced fed, maybe they were in the NICU beforehand where they had to be fed through tubes. So, just that whole experience with feeding, putting things into their mouth is something that they don't like. In some cases, it could be that your child is simply getting all of their nutritional requirements through breast milk or formula milk. They don't want to eat anymore. And in the third case, it could be that there is just a lot of pressure associated with eating and your child starts fearing it. When your child is experiencing solid aversion, the first thing to do is don't give them too much variety. Sometimes they don't eat because they don't like the taste of it, which is, of course, a natural reaction to food. But that doesn't mean that we keep giving them different variety. We have to teach them that this is what you get. It's important that you at least try a couple of bites of it. So follow that 3 day rule to get them acclimatized to that kind of flavor before you change up what you give them. The second thing, remove all the pressure around meal times for your child. If your child is under the age of 1, you know that food is simply an exploration, it's a development for them. So we have to allow that time. If your child is over the age of 1, try to couple something that they don't eat with something that they do eat. So they're more likely to try that unknown new food. The third thing to do, like how I said in my last reel, model when you eat. Just make your child sit in front of you when you guys are having family dinner, when you are eating lunch yourself, at whatever time it might be. But let your child just see how people eat. Let them see that maybe you don't like this vegetable, but you still have to eat it. That you need to eat because you want to move, you want to think better, you want to do more fun things. Every child has a different reason why they're avoiding solids, and it's hard to cover all of it in one short reel. So if you have any more questions, feel free to DM me.